Hey, welcome to Yardie Belly's Kitchen, folks. Today I'm gonna be doing a Jamaican favorite. Yeah, I think I've done a video of this already, but I just wanted to do one more, just so that we can keep the thing updated. Ackee and saltfish, we say. Yeah, ackee and saltfish. Right here, I have some ackee that I fix up and prepare and cook and frozen. Yeah, cause when you're there foreign, you have to keep your ackee. And like you have ackee pan tree regular. So this is probably about 2-3 pound of ackee. Yeah, maybe 2 dozen. Better yet, 2 dozen ackee that I've cleaned, gutted, deseeded, and I boil this until it's tender. Put in garlic and cinnamon. Pimento. Yeah, and a couple whole cloves in the water and make this boil. Yeah, and then I freeze it. Put it in my freezer because I never want it. See, then I have right here so now some saltfish. This is boneless salted pollock, and it's about 14 ounce. Yeah, of saltfish may I do. Cause I will put ackee. Yeah, so I put good amount of saltfish in there to make it comfortable. You see it? So this is gonna be boiled. Forget out all of the water, the salt out of it, and then we put together the dish. So the thing set. Yardie Belly in our foreign. Right here we have some mixture of flours. We have regular flour. Where you call that? Counter flour, right? We have regular counter flour, and we also mix that with a little bit of quinoa flour. Let me see if I can find the container for showing you the box where the quinoa flour coming up. See it here? See there? Quinoa flour, yeah? And we also have little cornmeal, and this we are gonna use make dumpling. Yeah, for the ackee and saltfish. And over here now we have 2 pieces of yam, right? We have this is white yam. Yeah, white yam from Minano, Puerto Rico, I think. And this is yellow yam from Jamaica. And we cut them. See? I'm gonna put them in the pot for boil. So me just put them in some water now because me don't want them yesterday the yellow yam turn red. If it stay out, it oxidize and it turn red. So I'm gonna cut up these and then put them in the pot for boil. Yeah. Alright, so here we have all of the food them put in the pot. Yeah. We have some yellow yam, some white yam, and couple dumpling. Yeah. And we're going to put some banana separate, I think. Maybe. Depends on the wife if she want banana still. So we have this just boil. Make this nice. And yeah, ackee and saltfish and dumpling and banana and way. Food I go sweet. Remember me tell you. For the ackee, we're gonna, of course, the ackee has been thawed out and put it in a colander to drain. And as you can see, there's bits of garlic in there and pimento seeds still, but that's okay. Now, when you cook ackee, it becomes scrambled egg-like consistency. It's very soft, but the flavors are still strong. And so, yeah, we're gonna do that we're gonna use this ackee right now. Of course, the codfish or salted pollock has been blanched in boiling water as well, and so yeah, no salt, the salt is gone from this. And I have some turkey bacon here. You don't have to use turkey bacon, it's just me always do little things different. Yeah, but the turkey bacon is nice little flavor. Me not really want to use regular bacon because it's too oily and it's not really good for you, that so yeah, turkey bacon, that's optional. But I have about 3 pieces right there. It's up to you where you like, if you want to use it. Okay, so we have some scallions. We have half of a medium size to a large size onion, garlic. We have thyme. Yeah, Jamaican cooking after you have thyme. And we have tomato. Now, tomato is debatable whether or not you put tomato in your ackee and saltfish. But me like my wife like it, and whatever the wifey like, the wifey get. Alright? So we're gonna ready for to put everything in the pot now and start work. What we say? Work. Cut up them seasoning here. Wash the tomato then, make sure everything ready. Pick up the saltfish. Yeah, cut up the bacon and work. How that we say. What Rihanna say? Work. Alright, cool, man, babe. So I've just added the garlic, and the garlic is starting to release some flavors. I'm not gonna even wait until it starts to burn or it starts to go any further than that. I'm just gonna add my onions and the top of the green onions, the white part of the green onions. Yeah? And then we get rolling for the rest of it. Now I've added the turkey bacon and just making that release some of the flavors. Now remember, it's not regular bacon, so I'm not have to really render it out. You know, like how you'd render out regular bacon, right? And I'm using a decent amount of oil because I want to make sure that, you know, everything cooked nicely. Now I'm gonna add my saltfish, right? And I'm gonna make this just go on do its thing a little bit. See? So may I show you, folks? Yeah. And if you notice, I'm not break it up too small, you know. Because I know I'm going to do a little stirring, and while it's a stir, the saltfish will break up a little bit more, yeah. So we just want this start release some flavors and get its own little thing going before we add the ackee. The ackee is relatively the last thing you're gonna add because it's so delicate. You don't want it to break up and become just one pot of mush. Alright? Yeah. So now we're gonna just add our tomatoes. Right? We're just ready to add the ackee now. I'm gonna put in the scallion heads, the green part of the scallion, and some thyme. Yeah. So the thing I look now. So the thing I look. And this may I call this Usain Bolt ackee and saltfish. Because Usain Bolt are going to win the 200 meter tonight in Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro. Rio. And the camera. Oh, it looks, see, look good.
Oh, well, excellent.
Over magnificent. It looks very supernatural. Alright, I feel I'm going to put some more onion in here. You think so?
Why you turn on the food pot?
Eh?
Why you turn on that food pot?
Because it did a boil over. It did a boil over, that's why. Remember, just cut this like so. Normally I'm going to use my cutting board, but can't bother right now. Just I put these in just before I add so we added the onions at the end there. And now for the pièce de résistance, all of that gorgeous. Now this is where you don't stir. This is where you're gonna have to fold, and we have to get out every morsel. So I'm firing with the ackee there. You know, so it start get cheap though. I notice it, right?
Ackee season get cheap.
Yeah. And I'll put some black pepper. I like my grinder, you know, I'm gonna like that grinder, yeah. You notice I don't put any salt, folks, because I have to really check the consistency before, the amount of salt in there before you put salt. You work with salt elements. Alright, and I'm gonna put a little paprika. I'm gonna put some garlic powder.
You know we have regular paprika.
Yeah? You notice me put all of these stuff before me stir. Because you don't want to stir and mushy up your ackee. I'm putting some seasoned salt. And not much because I've tell you about the salt already. And I'm putting some cayenne pepper. And I'm going to put piece of Scotch bonnet pepper in a little bit. And we can't use too much Scotch bonnet pepper because the wifey don't like the pepper too much. But you have to use a little bit of Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. You know. Where's the seed? Is it enough?
More.
More? What? You feel the heat, man. You feel the heat real.
Stop.
And now, you just fold over.
Delicately, please.
Turn on the stove for me there. Delicately fold it over.
It's pretty.
And this is pretty much ackee and starfish. Leave it for simmer a little bit.
Everybody cuss bean, but me put ketchup in mine.
No, I'm not putting it.
Never set up on it really. But that will go in before the ackee though.
For when you do the starfish. Because when you make starfish normally you put ketchup in it.
Yep.
I could say I can't put black pepper the whole day sake of how this stuff may stay. You know folks?
Yep.
That was something that worked me out like Justin Gatlin. Yeah, but so the thing said.
Why that sound wrong?
It sound wrong?
Very wrong.
You don't know like both make Justin Gatlin work hard and still come second.
Oh.
That me mean, man. I don't mean nothing else. So everybody else, please, I mean it, nothing else. Okay? So ackee and starfish are going over here, so we're dumpling and something are going. Yeah, it is happening. And the next thing you will see is the plate and the eating. And that me say, yeah, the belly in a foreign, remember. So here we are, folks, with the finishing, yeah, of our ackee and saltfish with a little turkey bacon. As you can see, served up with some dumpling and white yam and yellow yam. I'm gonna put some cucumber, Persian cucumber on the side there, so. Trust me, this is good for breakfast. It's also good for your main meal, for lunch or dinner. Jamaicans, we eat ackee and saltfish right through. How it look, see? Look good? You like it?
Yeah.
You gonna eat some?
Of course, man. Eat the whole thing.
Like the whole thing? Take a piece now. And tell me what it tastes. Watch you now, go in on the dumpling. Lord of mercy. Ooh. Lord of mercy.
It's too hot for them.
Yeah, you have to do it like my guy up on the TV. You say, oh, it's hot. Here are a blow. Oh, it tastes. Tastes very stupendous. It's very intelligent. Ladies and gentlemen, try this in your neck of the woods, yeah? Ackee and saltfish. We call this, what we call this? Usain Bolt ackee and saltfish? Yeah, cause it's full of gold.
It come first.
It come first. Remember, I told you. Yeah, the belly in a foreign. Thank you guys for subscribing, for liking, for doing all of them something there. And for loving our videos. You know, we appreciate every comment. We appreciate every single thing. And Sisha here, I try draw the food. And guys, just continue to, you know, share it with your friends and big up on yourself, yeah? Keep liking, subscribing, thumbs up, and all of them something there. Remember. Yeah, the belly in a foreign. And that was say ackee and saltfish, remember.